Let's give this a go. Solve the simultaneous equations. First one's involving quadratic, and second one is a linear equation. In fact, you might recognize the first equation. It's a little bit like a circle, or in fact, it is a circle. So then we've got some straight line. We're probably going to get two solutions to this, but let's find out. Right, I think a good shout in this question is to make, we can either make x the subject of the second equation, x is equal to y plus 10, or we could make y the subject. Y is then equal to x minus 10. Probably best actually to substitute in for y because we've already got two terms in with x in. So then it's going to be x squared plus 8x, and then now the y squared, it's going to be x minus 10 all squared equals 84. Right, I'm going to expand this bracket out. It's a double bracket, so we're going to get like cross terms. We're going to get an x squared, we're going to get minus 10x, and then another minus 10x, so it's going to be minus 20x. Actually, let me show you in a bit more detail. Yes, I've got my x squared, I've got my minus 10x, I've got another minus 10x, that gives minus 20x, and then I got plus 100, and that's equal to 84. Right, let's tidy this up. So it's going to become 2x squared. 8 minus 20 is minus 12. Of course, this is a calculator paper, but I'm going to try and do as much as I can without. And then I've got plus 100, and then I've got 84 on the other side. I think I'm minus it, so I've got plus 16, because ultimately we want to get this thing set equal to 0, because it's a quadratic, and that's how we solve them. I'm going to divide through by 2, x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. And then it's a case of solving this. Numerous different methods. You could stick it in your calculator, but it's always a good shout to try and factorize. This is going to factorize x minus 2 and x minus 4. Brilliant. 0. So x is equal to 2. In fact, I'll call that x1. And then x2 is going to be 4. Right, now I can just substitute back in to get y. So y1, if I substitute 2 in, let's substitute it into this one here. So it's going to be 2 minus 10, it's minus 8. And then x2 equals 4, it's going to be 4 minus 10, it's going to be minus 6. Whoops, I forgot to write y2 is minus 6. And then I'll just make those solutions clear, and we're sorted.